Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is about Snap To. I did a video last night of a design, and I'm not going to use the design. I'm going to use this off-center box because you can kind of see it better. And if you go to View and Snap To, I have Snap To guidelines on, and I have my guidelines in the center of the page. So if you snap to this, it just snaps to a node because I had the other object in there. But if you snap to it with just guidelines on, it just tells you intersection. It's the intersection of those two lines. I hope you can see that word intersection. But if we go to View, Snap to Page also, now we're going to go and it snaps to this center. It puts the center word in there. So there's a snap into the edge and edge, but I'm in the center. So if you have a weird shaped object, and this is the Corel's version of the center of the object, and I guess we could maybe prove that by using the virtual segment or well, we need to move it back to the center. So let's back up here one, put it where it was in the center. And let's measure that line just to see what Corel's doing. It is 6.59 inches. Let me make this bigger so you can read it. Let's make it, and I need to just change that to default. And let's do the other one, 6.59. So Corel is finding the center of that weird shaped object. So it is working. But to get back to the video, well, let's just do another object real quick. I'm going to just draw some blocks and weld it. And then Corel makes a new center, which is right there. And I guarantee you we measure it from the furthest out distance of the block. But since I have page to, snap to page and guidelines, it's going to say center. If we take the guidelines off or the page off, we can move this out of the way and grab our center, and now it's just saying intersection again, which works equally as well, but I'd rather have both of them on. I hope you can see that. I don't think I can zoom in and it will help any. And no, it doesn't make the word any bigger, but you can read the word center. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.